Happy Monday, guys. For those of you that were with me today for our attendance day, thank you very much. But we have a few things to go over because we're missing the boat somewhere. I'm starting to grade your work from last week. If it's not in, it's now considered missing, and there's a lot of you missing assignments. So we're going to walk through what you need one more time. Remember that I post these daily after everything, and we'll upload it into the weekly section in classwork. So if this is your screen when you log into Google Classroom, obviously you won't have my class 4 times, but my class will be there somewhere. The stream I really only use to post our help time from 1:30 to 2:30 every day. Otherwise, I'm not really a fan. Unless something needs to be sent just to you, I can do that. Otherwise, I don't. Remember, everything we need is under classwork. So if you look, I have from last week, everything we need. The first one that is an assignment that is due is your entrance exam. This is done via Illuminate. So when you click on it, it'll take you right there. I'm still logged in, so yours doesn't look anything like mine. But all you need to do is put your student ID in there, which is the number under your name, that 99 or 98, the really long number. And the password auto-generates, so you don't need anything from me. And then you need to also do your virtual notebook. And then it was on page 10 that it was your hydro flask. This was my version of Get to Know Me. I wanted you to copy and paste your pictures. I know if you're working through an app on a Chromebook and not the browser, you may have issues. So make sure you're actually logged in with the browser. That should help some of the problems, but I do need that. And lastly, for any of your first period classes, not just mine, you needed to have that student schedule done. And then my guys for my class, y'all needed to make your Membeam account. If you have not logged into any of my classes, you are behind. You need to do this. Your school email, our password should be Maple123. Today is the last day I'm going over to review this. We've got to log in and get going now that we've had a week to sort of get our feet wet. So if you guys have questions, remind, email, anything like that. But we're now on track. We've only got 30 minutes during our class time, so we have a lot to get done. So again, questions, please ask. Please make sure you are caught up because we are definitely not going to be taking late work for the whole quarter due to this format. So hopefully tomorrow we will be ready to go, and I'll see you all then. Bye.